Alright, so we already have our information now broken down into countries, and we can further drill it down to the states and to the cities. But now what we want next is that we want to break down the total sales revenue by year, or maybe by even quarter, or maybe by even monthly basis. So how do we do that? Well, for that we can make use of this column option here, and what we need to do is we just need to drag down the transaction date from here to the columns, and you would see that your total sales have now been broken down into two, that is 2018 and 2019. And then by the way, you also have a total column here which you can hide, which we will discuss later. But here you can see that you can break down your sales not just in your countries, but also using the columns you can break down against the countries. You can break down them into the years as well. So the good thing is that even though I just dragged down the transaction date, Excel intelligently understood that Excel should actually compile the data by years, and then if you need to analyze your data by quarters as well, all you have to do is just to click on this plus button here, and you can analyze your data on the basis of quarters as well. And by the way, Excel has automatically added the quarters. I didn't really do anything about that. And if you want to see the months in any quarter, what you can do is that you can simply click here on the quarter, on the plus sign here with the quarter, and it will be broken down into the months as well. So I hope that was clearly very easy. Now what if you don't really need the quarters or even the months? How you can get rid of the years or the months? It is very simple. All you have to do is that you have to drag down the quarters from here to the left hand side, and you can see that you now have the years, and then in the years the transactions are directly broken down, the data is directly broken down into the months. And if I can drag towards the right, you can see that we have 2019 data as well. Here we have 2019, and if I can drag to the left, you can see that here we have 2018 data as well, if I can plus it as well. Now let me drag it here, and you can see 2018 followed by 2019, and you just have to hide. You can just click here, and this way you can just get rid of your months. I mean, not get rid of, you can simply hide your months. And what if you want to remove the months all the way, or you want to remove the years all the way? All you have to do is that you have to click here and drag it here, and then you are free of the months. You only have the data in the years. So this way you can analyze your data not just in the horizontal dimension by breaking it down into the rows, but you can also add some parameters into the columns to further make the sense of the data.